This apple cake smells absolutely amazing. Soft, fluffy, and filled with tender apples inside. What makes it so light? It's all about properly whipped eggs. Let's start with the apples. Take 4 apples, peel them, and cut into small cubes. Set them aside. We'll come back to them in a minute. Now the batter. In a bowl, add 3 eggs and just a pinch of salt. Beat them with a mixer until they become light, airy, and slightly thick. Now gradually add the sugar while mixing. Take your time here. This step creates that soft, fluffy texture. Once it's smooth, add the flour. Mix gently until you get a uniform batter. Then add vanilla and baking powder and mix again just until everything is combined. Now bring back the apples. Add them into the batter, add a touch of cinnamon, and gently mix so everything is evenly distributed. Prepare your baking pan. Line the bottom with parchment paper and lightly butter the sides. Pour the batter in and spread it out evenly. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. And this is the result. A soft, airy apple cake with a delicate texture and rich aroma. Light, simple, and incredibly satisfying. If you enjoy recipes like this, don't forget to like the video and save it.